Apple's latest iPad mini, the 4th generation model to be exact, helps to diversify the company's portfolio, which recently got expanded with the introduction of the iPad Pro. But for those looking to keep it slim, compact, and simple, the iPad mini 4 is always worth the look. However, are there enough improvements and upgrades to warrant a refresh, or an incentive to upgrade? The package contains Apple iPad mini 4, wall charger, lightning cable, Apple decals, user's start guide, interface and functionality. All of iOS 9's multitasking features give this iPad some serious productivity that we haven't seen before. Thanks to the introduction of Apple's new iOS 9 software, the iPad mini 4 gets treated to an even more advanced multitasking experience, a key feature that prevented it from competing on the same level of productivity as Samsung's tablets. The new multitasking enhancements are detailed below. There are 3 multitasking features, and of the mini iPads, only the iPad mini 4 supports all 3 of them. Judging its effectiveness is deceiving when you try and compare it to the iPad Pro, which benefits more in the multitasking department due to its vast amount of screen real estate. Naturally, our pace is a little lax when it comes to heavy-duty work with the Mini 4, but rest assured, there's nothing that prevents the iPad mini 4 from getting stuff done on the road too. And yeah, it's better for reading as well. Slide over. While in apps, we can access the slide over screen by swiping our finger towards the left from the right bezel. The tab becomes visible, which we can then proceed to pull over to expose the slide over screen. Essentially, we can open a second app at any time without leaving the one we're in, giving us that true, simultaneous operation. Even though it occupies a small piece of the screen, 1/3 of the screen to be exact, it's a genuinely different experience we haven't seen in iOS to date. For all of its usefulness, however, its support is limited to the native apps and a few third-party ones at this time.